Welcome to CyberDestek. CyberDestek is one-point solution for all your remote IT requirements. We provide remote IT services and support for IT health checks, disaster recovery, cloud and virtualization, automation, network infrastructure with security and much more. Contact us at info@cyberdestek.com.
Hi friends, welcome back to another tutorial of Fortigate firewall. So friends, in this video we are going to configure LDAP server on our Fortigate firewall. So let's log into the firewall. So in the firewall I have already configured the interfaces and the policies required to configure an LDAP server. I have configured it in our root vDOM. Go to network interfaces. Here you can see I have configured port number 4 connected to the virtual switch. This is our Windows Server 2012 R2. So the IP I have given it to the DMZ zone is 172.168.1.24 being the gateway of the DMZ server. The IP address of our domain controller is 172.24.1.100. So we'll check the connectivity. We are already in the root vDOM. So execute ping 172.24.1.1.100. So from the firewall we have the reachability with our domain controller, and I think we can also ping the host name. The host name of the domain controller is lab-server.local, and we can ping that as well. So now we will configure the LDAP server on the Fortigate firewall. For that we have to go to users and device, and we have LDAP server. So there is nothing as of now, so we will click on create new. So here we can give any generic name for our LDAP server, lab LDAP, right? And here you can mention the host name as well as the or the IP address. So I'm going to give the IP address as of now. 172.24.1.100 is the IP address of our domain controller. For common name identifier we'll use the same account name. Good. And for the distinguished name, as our domain controller name is labserver.local, so here we'll specify the distinguished name as DC is equal to labserver, comma DC is equal to local. We will select the bind type as regular. So here we can mention the administrative access credential of the LDAP server, right? Here we will use the administrator credentials. Administrator at labserver.local. Great, and here you will mention the password. Everything looks good. We will test the connectivity, and as you can see the connectivity is showing successful. So we can browse our Active Directory, and as you can see we are able to have the users and the groups of that are mentioned already in the Active Directory. So this is how easy it is to configure the LDAP server on the Fortigate firewall, and then you can click on OK, and then in the future videos for authentication we can use this LDAP server for further authentications tutorials. I would like to thank you for viewing this video. I hope this video has been informative to you, and I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, thank you for watching.